That was all for cylindrical cell. Now I am going to tell you about how to test the prismatic cells. See here we are seeing that this is the prismatic cells. That this is type of LFP cell of AH rating is 100 AH. These are the 100 AH cells. Now that is I have a big size of the cells. Now I'm going to tell you about how to test this type of cells. Like for testing this type of cells, I'm using this machine 5 volt 20 amps. It will take time. Like if I'm giving you 1C rating of 20 amps, it will take approximately 5 hours for grade this cell or test this cell or see the capacity of that cell. We can test these cells of I rating of machines, but currently for explanation for your easy to understand how to grade or understand, we are using this 5 volt 20 amp machine. Now same as before that software, we are using this software. Like I have made the program already, like CCCV charge. Same process for grading these cells also, like I have given in the cylindrical cells also. CCV charge up to maximum 3560 by giving the 20 amps. These are 2000 milliamps, and CC consequent discharging up to lower limit 2.5 volt up to I am discharging it by 20 ampere, and again charge it up to 3.2 nominal voltage, and also discharging it by 20 amps. This is the current limit which I have give here. As I explain you why we are giving the limiting current to running in the CB mode. So all the explanation is like constant current charging, constant voltage charging, constant power charging. These all the types or the process through which we can charge the cell or grade the cell and see the capacity of each and every type of cells made up of lithium ions. Okay, now I am going to select this cells. I am going to start this one. So here we are seeing that these two cell is now charging. See, here I am giving the value of 20 ampere. This is the current status of the cell, current rating of the cell voltage, that is 3453 millivolts, and second cell voltage 3430. It will increase linearly up to maximum limit of 3650 by it's taking the current of 10 milliamps, means 1000 milliamps. 10,000 milliamps means 10 ampere. This is the C, means capacity, also showing the capacity, life capacity of the cell. This is time, and this is step which I have given for charging or discharging the cells. So this is all about how to test the cylindrical as well as prismatic cells, how to grade the cell, how to test the cell, how to charge the cylindrical cell as well as prismatic cell. For working of this machine as well as for previous machine, the link is in my description box. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.